Hello everyone! It's Ghostly Fantasy here and welcome to another Roblox video. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell to be notified every time I upload, and be part of the Phoenix Squad. Thanks! Okay, as you can see, I'm dressed up as a mermaid today, and with me is my lovely pupper, Hunter. And if you're wondering why am I standing outside a Futuristic House, yesterday, I recently bought it, and since the Ocean Egg update is coming pretty soon, I want to make a mermaid house. But since your girl here doesn't have any Robux, I decided to get the cheapest house with a pool and make it into a mermaid-esque type house. And if you guys like the speed build I'm gonna do, please leave a comment and tell me what you like about it after it's finished. So, let's get this show on the road. But first things first. First things first, sorry. Let me just lock this house so no one can come in and interrupt me. And while I do this, let's get into the video. And let's get cracking on building. Okay, so a little bit of disclaimer everyone. I didn't record every little detail of me making this house. Only about an hour worth of building. The reason is because my tablet has very little memory and I can only record so much with it. So I may delete the original video later on, after I post it on YouTube of course, and free up some memory because I don't want to delete some of the apps on this tablet. And I don't have a computer, so this is why I have some little complications. I might have a very inconsistent upload schedule. So I hope you guys enjoy this little speed build, and I'll just stop talking now. Thanks for understanding, and bye!